Hello YouTube people and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Kodi to watch live TV and get more than 10,000 live TV channel completely for free, available online. No registration, no payment is required. The only thing you need is Kodi and follow this tutorial instructions. So let's start first by opening your Kodi app, whether it's on your PC, laptop, or Android device, and navigate to add-ons. We need to install PVR IPTV simple clients. We're gonna enable us from importing those live TV channels. So go to this box in here and install from repository. Click on it and look down for PVR clients and click on it. After clicking on it, you will have a bunch of other options to install. The one we need is IPTV Simple Client by Mytic and Ross. So make sure to click on that and hit install. It's gonna take a moment for it to download and install. After that, it's gonna be showing here that it was successful, installed, and we're gonna click on it again, and here it is, open. IPTV Simple Client. Now, this is the page where we need an M3U playlist so to import our live TV channels so we can stream them. Now, there is two ways to do this. In Gets With You, I'm going to show only one way, which is by an M3U URL and not an M3U file. Now, to get this M3U URL, you have to visit the website in the description below and get your link. It's a very fairly easy process. Just get to the website and get your link. Let's configure it now. So let's click on this edit add-ons settings here to check if it's all, there is no issues with it. After that, you go back and click add add-on configuration. And here is the IPTV Simple Client configuration page. We will just give it any name. You can choose any name, or I will use the website where you get this IPTV link name. So IPTV M3U.info. This is where you will get your playlist. And here, there is two options, remote path and the local path. Local path is if you have a physical downloaded M3U playlist. If you have data fingers, this option, in this case, we are going to use the remote path, which is just an M3U URL. So I'm gonna paste here the M3U URL that I got from the website below, and you do the same. Click on the M3U playlist URL, and then I'm going to paste my link. And then I'm gonna click OK, and I'm gonna click OK once again. So the configuration is enabled. Make sure that it is enabled. If it's not, then click on it again and enable it. After that, close it here. And just for the sake of this video, click on disable and enable the IPTV Simple Client for an easier import of the channel. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to enable it once again. Now I'm going to go back and you could see here that the PVR manager is starting up and importing the guide from the client.